If we're looking at place value, we can start with our first number. This is a 2-digit number with a 2 on the left and a 3 on the right. The placing of the digits in the number is very important. It tells us how we should read and perceive the number. We would say that the 2 is in the tens column and the 3 in the units column. We would read this number as 23. This means that the number 23 consists of 2 tens and 3 single units. If we were to look at a 3-digit number, we can see that we still have the tens column, the units column, but we now also have a hundreds column. We would read this number as 323. This is because the number has 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 single units. Place value isn't just important for how we read and perceive numbers, it's also important for how we conduct our calculations. If we wanted to add our 3-digit number 323 to our 2-digit number 23, we would line them up in respect of their place value so that we can add them correctly. If we do so, we can add up the individual columns separately. Our units column, 3 plus 3 gives us 6. Our tens column, 2 plus 2 gives us 4. And our hundreds column, 3 plus 0 gives us 3. If we were to incorrectly align our numbers in respect of their place value, we can see how this would dramatically affect our answers. So, for example, if we correctly aligned our 3-digit number, but aligned our 2-digit number one column to the left, we could see how this would change our answer. We would add the units together. 3 plus 0 equals 3. The tens, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And the hundreds, 3 plus 2 equals 5. We can see how this answer is over 200 more than what it should be, so this is incorrect. I hope this has helped understand the importance of place value. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.